Ladies and gentlemen, the most stage parent of the Gubat branch, Dr. and Mrs. Macayo. Woo! Mas mahaba siguro message po natin.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for this award. It's an honor. And I think I deserve it kasi araw-araw ako nandun. Kulang na lang mag-voice lessons din ako. At baka next year, assistant ako ni Miss Faye. Anyway, sa pag-stay ko po, sa watching our kids during their training, nakita ko ang mga improvement ng mga bata. Mayroong kumakantang mataas, mababa pala yung nota. Mayroong mababa, mataas pala. Mayroong walang lumalabas na boses. Mayroong paos, mayroong mahiyain. At mayroon ding parehong kaliwa ang paa. But look at our children now. I'm sure we are all very proud of their achievement. And thank you po, Sir Romy, Ma'am Irene. Thank you po to the Glorious Sisters, especially Miss Faye. Kung nakita lang po ninyo how Miss Faye exerted a lot of effort para po mapaganda ang production ng Dagupan branch. She's very dedicated. Ang mga bata po, ang laki ng improvement nila. What else? Thank you. Yeah. The training they got from CAP MTZ has enhanced and developed their self-confidence and self-esteem. So thank you very much po, and God bless us all, and hope to see you all again next year.